Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I've got the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp October 2020 card kit. That was in the box, assuming that's part of the card kit. Okay, to get $5 off your next order of $5 or more, Cozy CZY 444 is your coupon code. Okay, so this kit is called Happy Fall, y'all. Here's your inspiration sheet. So we'll set that aside and go through these contents. Okay, so we have the Happy Fall, y'all. Oh, candy. 6x8 stamp set. So you got Happy Fall, y'all. Hey friend. You're the apple of my pie. Hello Autumn. Coffee soon. Full tummies. Happy hearts. Warm and cozy wishes. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Hey pumpkin. And then all these. Oh, and there's a hi there. And all these fun little images. I like the mushrooms. This will go well with your gnome stuff. You could put a gnome on top of a stump too. That would be cute. Okay, so that is the 6x8 Happy Fall Y'all stamp set. And then you've got this little stamp set called Loving You from Afar. Loving You from Afar. So that's just cute. Appropriate for these times. Okay, and then you get 12 double-sided sheets of Simple Stories, Cozy Days, 6x8 papers. So you got Happy Fall. Lovely little florals and fall palettes. This is really pretty. I like that one. That's a bit bold for me. That's kind of fun. Like the little acorns. Like the polka dots. I like this. That's pretty. Well, I like these two. I like the ones where the flowers aren't as big. Oh, that one's real pretty. Very fall looking. And let's see. Oh, these are pretty. These are very fall. I like these. And I like the size of those. I like that. I like these little cut aparts. These are good for the outside cards or to dress up the inside of your cards. That is a great pattern. Love that one. These little squirrels are so cute. Anyway, okay, so that is the paper pack. And let's see, what is next? Alright, one pack of the 6x12 PinkFresh Studios My Favorite Story Puffy Alphabet. So that was these, and they are puffy. And they got a little gold right there. Just a little gold design. Okay, and then we have one sheet each of American Crafts Tiny Dogs and Tiny Cat stickers. Little tiny dogs and cat stickers. That's cute. Not sure what I'll do with those, but that's cute. Okay, 3 Simon Says Stamp A2 white scored note cards. Okay, so you get pre-ready note cards. They're scored. So that's always nice to have, quick and easy cards. Alright, 1 each Simon Says Stamp envelopes in burnt orange and metallic gold. And theirs are all the peel and stick. They're nice sturdy envelopes, and I love, love, love Simon's metallic envelopes. They're all very pretty. Sorry for the dogs are going nuts today. I don't know what their problem is. But we're almost done here. So then we have 1 sheet each of the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock in the burnt orange, dark chocolate, cream, and 1 sheet of the 110-pound Nina Solar White, which is my favorite to do card bases on. Okay, so this is the Simon Says Stamp October 2020 card kit called Happy Fall, y'all. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!